Hi guys, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today we are going to walk through or look at whatever I have got categorized in my vintage section. It's not huge, but I clearly have enough. So I do have a couple paper pads in here that we looked at when I went through the paper. So those will live in here. I have a 12 by 12 sticker sheet which hasn't been used, so I'm just going to leave that as is. I also have these pocket cards from Tim Holtz that I put into sort of like a paper pad form, I guess. To be honest, this is not the right place for these. This needs to go with my art journaling supplies, so that is going to move over there. I have some ephemera pieces, so we're going to transfer those over into like my die cut sticker binder solutions. I have some vintage ephemera from Pretty Little Studio. I don't know if I'm going to take these out of these or not. I think I'm going to leave these in here for now, but these are also going to get moved over to my art journaling because that's more likely where I'm going to use them. And then what else do I got? Another ephemera pack, and then I have these authentic life cards, which I think I'm also going to move over to my art journaling supplies. I think that may be something I'm going to have to tackle soon because those drawers are getting awfully full. But in the meantime, let me translate these over into my die cut solution, which is basically just 8.5 by 11 page protectors and some ATG tape. And I'm going to have plenty of room in here, and I had pulled the papers out to hang in the closet, but if I'm going to keep this as a theme, which I am, I think I'm going to move the 12 by 12 papers back in here as well. But first, let me get dealing with this. Okay, so this is what the pages ended up looking like for my ephemera pieces. I kind of kept them in their collections. Just thought it was easier than splitting them all out by color. I have a binder that's pretty full, so we may end up having to split this out at some point. I have a Tim Holtz section, which to me reads vintage, and so while these are not Tim Holtz, these are my mind's eye, I am just going to stick those in here so that they are all together, and I will probably relabel this to vintage instead of Tim Holtz. So that is going to take care of those. This is what my bin looks like. Like I said, I added back in my vintage cardstock, the 6 by 6 paper pads, and this is the only sticker sheet that I have in here. And that is it for vintage. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. I hope you are inspired to tackle something in your space. Let me know below what it is you're working on, and until next time, happy organizing.